Hey Danny, it's Mario Barth here. You were asking a specific question about true black, what the difference is between super black and true black. I'm going to try to explain this to you and show it to you in a second. As you see, you really can't tell a lot of difference when you use it straight out of the bottle. True black is a little easier to work with smaller group of needles, okay? So super black is a little more difficult to wipe down on the skin than the true black. So the true black would be easier to work with a smaller group of needle. When you go into the 50% mix, you're going to start seeing a little difference in the shade of the color between those two, right? So this was the super black, and this is the true black. So you can see there's a different shade in the tone, okay? And you also see that the opacity is a little bit off. So it's a slight difference, but it makes a huge difference in the skin. The most part you see when you dilute it all the way down, you're going to see there's a complete different tone in that. All right. This side is the true black. You see it has a complete different. This is the super black. It has more like a bluish tint to it, a cooler tint. Then this is more in a neutral zone. So, and you see the opacity is like this too. Like the super black still has a little bit more opacity than the true black in this way. Okay, but it's named true black because it lays right between the warm and the really cold super black. That's the reason, that's the difference. Hopefully this helps. If you think it helped you, share it and let me know what you think. Talk to you next time. Bye.